Hey YouTube, I'm about to teach you how to make an ice cream cake that you'll never forget. This is my favorite dessert. Stick around and learn how to make this because you'll probably never make another birthday cake again. Now we'll smear some hot fudge all over. Oh, mercy, Miss Percy, this is gonna be some kind of awesome. When it comes to ice cream, you can put your favorite toppings, whatever you like. And if you don't have what you like, you use what you got. Some goodness in every bite. How about some caramel? Put in the comments, do you say caramel or do you say caramel? Let's give this some good pretty drizzles. Ooh-wee, don't that pretty. Everybody likes to get a little bit of salty crunch in their ice cream. Salted caramel baking chips. How many? Measure with your heart. Milk chocolate morsels, because we have some. And we got to have some butterscotch. This is a mixed bag. Now for the fun part. If you got something that's aggravating you on the day you make ice cream cake, you can get it out by breaking up your Butterfinger. Oh, I feel better already. Take that, Bart Simpson. This is gonna be some kind of good. You know we're gonna save one of these for the top just to make it pretty. Hello, my pretty. For the final step, we're gonna put a whole carton of Cool Whip on this beautiful ice cream cake. We're gonna put it in the freezer and let this all set up. And it's gonna be just like ice cream. There's no such thing as an ugly ice cream cake. Today's 99 degrees. But you know what? If you're an ice cream lover like me, you know you can eat ice cream any time of the year. All year long. How about some more Butterfinger? Got the ice cream drizzles for shizzles. Excuse me. Ice cream cake.